What's up, everybody? I just wanted to give a quick little tip. When you're printing and you have screw holes, a lot of people recommend, you know, driving a screw through the hole to get the threads cut. But there's an easier way. Use a tap. That's what these are built for. This is ABS plastic, and I can still thread this hole one-handed with my fingers. I don't even need my tap handle. It's actually getting in the way, which is why I'm not using it. Yeah, these are built to cut threads, and they are much, much sharper than a screw. So this job becomes super easy. I highly recommend buying a tap set. They're fairly inexpensive, and they will save you hours and, I don't know, your life. Absolutely. Have a good one.